Hello friends, my name is Kamal Rawat, and as founder of Ritambhara Technologies, let me formally welcome you guys on board. I am really excited about this program. So let me briefly introduce myself. I did my masters in 2004, and in last 12 years of my career, I happen to work in different domains and different technologies in all sorts of companies. I have worked on desktop application, on mobile application, on Windows application, on web application, on server side, on client side, across platform. But something that drives me from inside is I'm really passionate about teaching. So teaching is not just my hobby; it is my passion. So in all these years, I have been teaching. I have been associated with academics in one way or the other. I have been conducting seminars in colleges. I have been giving workshops to professionals. In fact, this is how I happened to got introduced to graphics at Hill University. आप ही के एक सीनियर जिनका नाम है विवेक नेगी, he happened to attend one of my workshop which was for professionals. The workshop was on how to crack the coding interview, and it was meant for professionals. So Vivek Negi attended that workshop, and after the workshop he contacted me and said that why don't I conduct similar workshop in his college, and I said why not. So I conducted 2 days workshop on how to crack the coding interview for your seniors last year, and rest is history. So this program is my brainchild in a certain way, and this team that has formed, is has got the doyens from all sorts of areas. They are not just subject matter experts. They are not just users of those technologies. They are in a way creators of those technologies. So they are that big a legends, and all of us share a common interest. That interest is to bridge the gap that exists between industry and academics. We are really passionate about it, and we look forward for your commitment from your side. I will be handling the core sciences track along with my colleagues. Core sciences track के बारे में ये स्टूडेंट्स जनरली कॉम्प्लिसेंट हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज दे थिंक उन्होंने सी लैंग्वेज, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, एल्गोरिथम, नेटवर्किंग, टीसीपी, आईपी, ये उन्होंने अपने एकेडमिक्स में भी पढ़ा है. एकेडमिक्स में आपने पढ़ा है, आपने अच्छे मार्क्स भी लिए हैं, आप यू हैव लर्न ऑल दोज थिंग्स, बट थिंक अबाउट इट कि जो बाकी लोग इंटरव्यू में आ रहे हैं, जो आप ही के पैरेलल हैं, स्टूडेंट्स जो ऑल ओवर इंडिया से या ऑल अराउंड वर्ल्ड से स्टूडेंट्स जो आ रहे हैं, उन्होंने भी एकेडमिक्स में सेम चीज़ें पढ़ी हैं, उन्होंने भी एकेडमिक्स में अच्छा मार्क्स स्कोर किया है. व्हाट इज़ इट, व्हाट एक्स्ट्रा और व्हाट डिफरेंट डज यू ब्रिंग टू द इंटरव्यू टेबल will be the deciding factor. So we have to really work hard for it, right? These 3 months are a kind of game changer thing. These 3 months can be a kind of game changer thing, and these 3 months can change the complete direction in which rest of your your career is launching. Rest of your life actually, how rest of your life goes in terms of your in terms of your professional career can be positively impacted by in these 3 months. I really look forward for your commitment and work really hard. दिमाग से सारी नेगेटिविटी को निकाल दीजिए. किसकी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, पेरेंट्स की क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, कॉलेज की क्या एस्पिरेशंस हैं, रिमूव एवरीथिंग. जो पास्ट में हुआ है वी कैनॉट चेंज दैट. You cannot change your marks that you have scored in 10th examinations. You cannot change the marks that you have got in 12th examinations. You cannot change the marks that you have got till now. You cannot change anything of that. So why don't let that thing come into your mind, but you can certainly change your future. And I am very hopeful, and with full conviction, me and my team has designed this course. We have kept द करंट लेवल ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन आवर माइंड. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने कुछ ऐसा अजीब कोर्स डिज़ाइन कर दिया है जिसमें हमें पता ही नहीं है कि हम क्या करना चाह रहे हैं. वी नो द करंट लेवल, एंड वी हैव मेड दिस रियलिस्टिक कोर्स, बट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ए टफ टास्क बोथ फॉर यू गाइज एंड फॉर अस. सो let's together sail this boat and make it happen. Looking forward to see you guys. Good luck.